Hello friends, this is Yan, and today I decided to record a video for you about classic technical analysis. Maybe these videos aren't as entertaining for you as the previous ones, but it's exactly these that are most likely to help you earn an income of $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month, or even more. Let's get started. Today there will be a slight change. I've decided to open trades of as much as $500 each, even though the market is quite volatile right now, and we'll see together how this turns out for us. We'll be analyzing the charts on a platform called TradingView. If you don't know what this platform is, be sure to check out the Telegram channel. The link is in the pinned comment, and there's also a link in the description. Click on the pinned message and you'll find a demo version of the course there. Open it, and in the second lesson I explain exactly how you can use this platform. Alright, I see a good opportunity. Let me enter the trade right away and then I'll explain to you why we're working it out there. Euro Canadian dollar, 80%. Let's go for 2 minutes up. It's simple here. There was a strong correction. We've reached the slanted support zone, and now most likely there will be a pullback movement from this area. We'll go higher with you to buy back these volumes. Guys, once again, if it's not too much trouble, please leave a like and write a comment. You have no idea how hard it is to force myself to sit down and record videos. But in June, according to the plan, a new video should come out every day. If everything goes well, we might even extend this challenge through the summer. There are also plans to do a lot of educational streams. So subscribe to the Telegram channel. All stream announcements are posted there. And if you want to learn how to make money from trading, join our team. Again, all the information is pinned. The biggest advantage of the team is an awesome training course, 19 lessons and homework assignments. A large number of people have already learned to earn money thanks to this course. This is what it looks like. And then there's a final test. You take it and see what level you've reached in the course. If your percentage of correct answers is good, then everything's fine. You can start trading and earning. If you answered poorly, then you need to retake the course in this format to reinforce what you've learned. Also, of course, there's a really cool bot. I'm currently spending $7,000 a month on this bot, and soon there will be an awesome update coming out. So make sure you don't miss any of this. All announcements will be in the Telegram channel. Now, regarding our trade, things aren't entirely clear. We had a strong pullback after entering a long position. But again, it's nothing to worry about. Maybe we'll enter a long position here again, right at this spot, okay? Because technically, the logic hasn't changed. Right now, the chances of the price pushing further down are very low. That is, here you can still safely open the ceiling. We'll open a position for $1,000 now. And honestly, guys, this kind of money management is pretty uncomfortable for me. I mean, it's really a lot of money. But the plan for today's video is to earn as much as possible. Alright, the trade is closing at a loss. Yes, it's closing at a loss. And let's enter another $1,000 long position right here. If the second trade also closes at a loss, that's definitely not going to be pleasant. But in any case, we'll figure something out. It really annoys me that these crystals keep showing up. There must be a way to turn them off somewhere. Market sentiment. Look, 95% are opening short positions, even though that's fundamentally wrong. And then people ask, why is it that only a small percentage make money in trading, right? Like 3%, 5% of all people. It's because this trade was fundamentally opened incorrectly. They are just sitting there, say, on TradingView, or rather, they just opened minute candles on Pocket, and they're thinking, what the heck, we haven't even reached the support zone yet. So you need to go lower. But we use TradingView, we see the bigger picture on the chart, and we understand that right now is actually a great point to go for an upward move. Maybe they'll catch on soon, but by then it'll be too late. Most likely. There's also social trading, by the way. You can check which direction people are opening trades in right now. Someone opened a position for a downward move, but why? That's completely unfounded. Let's switch to 5-second candles. It's actually interesting to see. So people are going for a downward move, right? Of course, it's not clear what time frame they're using, but overall, if you're entering for 3 or 5 minutes, it should be for an upward move. Here's some smart guy who went for a $5 raise. Maybe it's even a team member, I don't know. But as you can see, everyone else keeps betting on the downward move. That's why I say you should just close or turn off this market sentiment indicator, because it's fundamentally wrong. In fact, in most cases, it's probably better to trade against this market sentiment, although obviously that's not the best approach either. Here's another smart person who went in for an upward move. And here, as you remember, I had just opened it, and over 90% were opening positions for a downward move. And then people wonder why so few make money in trading. That's exactly why, guys. I get a lot of questions about social trading. Maybe I'll enable it in the future. We'll see. We'll think about it and keep an eye on things. Of course, it's a big responsibility. Yes, I'm taking it on myself. But if everything's done correctly there, you'll be aware of the risks yourself. You'll understand that anything can happen. So maybe we'll go ahead and do it here as well, right? But here, it's not so obvious anymore, because right now we might break through this area. The candles aren't that strong. Overall, we haven't bought back this volume with you. Most likely, we'll reach this area and then go higher. Let's open it up and take a look. There's still 90% in GPI. Let's also go for an upward trade here. Just out of curiosity, I also want to get a feel for the market sentiment. It's 50-50 here, right? And let's turn on social trading as well. You can turn it on just for fun, to watch. By the way, you can also see where people are opening trades, just turn it on out of curiosity and watch. Here, as you can see, most people are already going long, and that's generally the right move. Most likely, the majority of traders here are using 1 minute candle. Still, it's harder to see things here than on TradingView, so if you can, and it's not that difficult, learn to use TradingView and everything will work out well for you. Someone just went short. Of course, maybe they'll turn out to be right. We're gonna go long here again. We'll enter the support zone and go long again here with another 1-0. So guys, if you don't have much experience, it's better to just turn off this feature right away. Honestly, I don't really feel like entering now, but I'll probably open a 1-0 position. Because you see, a lot of people are going long, and I just said that they're trading the wrong way. But now I'm entering with them though. In principle, it's the right move. Alright, maybe we really should do social trading together. If anyone has watched up to this point, let me know in the comments whether you want social trading or not. If you do, we might even launch it as early as June. Guys, it's going to be really strict there because, I don't know, maybe we'll need to set up some kind of agreement. Obviously, I won't be taking any responsibility for your money. If the market is bad and there are some losing sessions, I'll be losing money at that time too. Right now, you see, maybe this trade will close with a 500 profit. That's it, guys. If we end up in profit, do this. If both trades are profitable, that's just awesome. Even if we get a profit from just this trade, that's still great. We'll wrap up the video. It turned out, of course, not as long as usual, but in any case, I made really good money, like really good. I told you about the market sentiment. Overall, we worked through some pretty decent setups, and overall, it turned out to be a really good video. Again, guys, I'm waiting for your feedback in the comment. Let me know what kind of videos you like, what you want me to talk about, and what you don't. And we'll keep moving forward in this format, trading, making money, and everything will be great for us. All right, guys, thanks to everyone. See you all later.